Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School Isapur online classes. This is your English class, and today we are going to study tenses, past tense, and the date is 26/10/2020. So let's begin. What is a past tense? A verb in the past tense tells about an action in the past time, that is earlier. So, what are the verb form which are used here? It's like cooked, cried, walked, was, bought, and were. These are some of the verb forms which are used. So, past tense is where a verb in the past tense tells about an action in the past time. जो पहले हो चुका है उसके बारे में जो verbs हमें बताते हैं उन सबको past tense के नाम से जानते हैं हम. So what all does a tense denote? Tense denotes more than time. They just don't denote time, but they also denote more than that. What are all the things? Tense denotes more than time. It denotes continuance or completeness. If any action is completed or it is still going on, it is in continuance. These things also we get to know by tense. So there are 4 subcategories of each tense. The first one is simple. The action is mentioned simply. Nothing is said about whether the action is complete. These we have already seen in the last class, children, but again we are revising. The second one is continuous. The action is incomplete or continuous or going on. That's why it is named as continuous. The third is perfect. The action is finished, perfectly completed. Complete or perfect with respect to a certain point of time. At that point of time, the action is completed or finished. The fourth is perfect continuous. That is, the action is going on continuously over a long period of time and is yet to be finished. So, the simple present tense is used to express facts, states, and truths. These 4 categories, what do they represent? What are they showing? When are they used? These things we are going to see now. So, the simple present tense is used to express facts, states, and truths. The present continuous tense is used to describe events, situations, and actions going on at the present time. And the next is the present perfect form of the verb is used to talk about an event happening in a time period beginning in the past and leading up to the present. And the last one is present perfect continuous, which shows present perfect continuous tense combines the ideas of the present perfect and present continuous. The present perfect continuous focuses on the continuation of an activity from the past to the present. The activity or the action is continuous. It started in the past, but it is still going on in the present. Now, past tense and the verb forms. So as we have discussed, there is simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous of the 4 categories. Now we are going to see the verb forms and the examples. So let's begin. The first one is simple past. Base form of the verb plus ed and special forms of some verbs in which ed is not used. For example, Yatika painted a picture yesterday and she drew a tiger last week. So, draw is a word in which if its past tense is used, then it becomes drew. It is not drawed. So, therefore, it is a special form of verb, that is draw. The next one is past continuous. In this, was/were plus ing form of the main verb. So Rudra was studying yesterday. So with study we have used ing and was is used. So Rudra was studying yesterday. If it is singular, then was is used. If it is plural, then were is used. Then past perfect, has plus past participle of the main verb. So Yashmin had won 2 medals in the Olympiad. So we have used had won 2 medals. Okay. So the next is past perfect continuous with this had plus been plus ing form of the main verb. So Pratik had been studying hard about the solar system before making a solar system model. So he had been already studying hard about the solar system so that he can make a good model before making a solar system model. The next one is simple past tense. The simple past tense form of a verb is made by adding ed to the base form of the verb. However, irregular have special past tense forms which are not made according to any rules. So for example, Sushma wanted a cup of coffee. So this is the one in which ed is used. And Saira read 3 books in a day. So this is a special verb, irregular verb. So here you can see regular verbs which are like want becomes wanted, bake is baked, and for irregular verbs we use for read it will become read, and for see it becomes saw. Okay. So again, irregular verbs have special past tense forms which are not made according to any rules, such as read becomes read and see is saw. These are irregular verbs. Now, uses of the simple past tense. First use is the simple past tense is used to refer to completed events in the past. For example, the train left at 7 p.m. India became a republic in 1950. So these two are examples of the events which are completed in the past. The next one is it is used to talk about habitual actions in the past. So such habits or habitual actions which a person used to do, to show that this tense is used. I read comics a lot when I was a child. So not anymore. When the person was a child, that time he read or she read a lot of comics. So this was his or her habit, and they are explaining about their habit using simple past tense. The next is simple past is used to tell stories. For example, Birbal then asked for a pot full of water. He added a spoonful of sugar in it. So asked, added, these are the terms used as simple past tense. The next is we can also use used to with the base form of the verb to talk about past habits. For example, they used to make toys with clay. I used to go for swimming every day when I was living in Delhi. So any habit which that person used to do in the past and he or she is not doing anymore. The thing is not done anymore. It was done in the past. Such a thing, such a habit is also explained using simple past tense. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to talk about something that was going on in progress, that is in progress at a definite time in the past. So when an event or something is going on at a definite time in the past, that is past continuous tense. It is formed using was or were with ing form of the main verb. So for example, I was studying for the test last evening. The sailors were trying to escape from the burning ship. So these are two examples in which the verb form plus was or were is used with the main verb and ing is used with the main verb, like was studying and were trying. Uses of the past continuous tense. The first use is the past continuous tense is used to talk about things which were in progress at a particular time in the past. They were in use, they were in progress at a particular time in the past. For example, at 7:30, we were getting ready to go out. Second example, I was standing in the queue from 6 o'clock. So, he is not standing in the queue now. He was standing in the queue from 6 o'clock. So, the next one is it is used to talk about an action that was in progress when something else happened. When she entered the room, he was sleeping. So, when she entered, he was sleeping. When this action happened, that time something else was in progress, which is sleeping. When he was playing in the park, his friend ran away with his chocolate. Okay. So, the next is we use the past continuous for repeated actions over a period of time in the past. For example, I was playing tennis almost every day last year. So, for a period of time, this action was happening every day. Every day, the person was playing tennis. Yatika was attending dance classes in those days. So, in those days, back then, she was attending dance classes. The next one is we can also use used to with the base form of the verb to talk about past habits. For example, they used to make toys with clay. Second example is I used to watch National Geographic channel from 7 to 9 o'clock. So these are again some habits which happened in the past. The next one is past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to talk about a past event that happened before another event in the past. In other words, it is used for past in the past. So, any event that happened before what happened in the past. So, for example, there are two events which happened in the past. We are going to talk about the first one which happened and before that what happened. This one is past perfect tense. Past perfect verb forms have this structure had plus past participle of the main verb. For example, Anya had started the car by the time Meena came with the bag. Next example, Aryan had already completed his homework before the deadline arrived. So, Aryan's homework was already completed before the deadline arrived. The next is past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an activity or situation that began before the time we are talking about in the past. It has the structure had plus been plus ing form of the main verb. For example, Alina had been studying when she heard a loud noise. Two of us had been eating when the bell rang. So, something the person is doing, and while doing that, during that time, some other thing happened. To explain that, it is used like past perfect continuous tense. So, children, for your homework, you have to complete this. A. Complete the sentences using the simple past tense forms of the verbs given in brackets. So, you have to use simple past tense in these sentences. And in B, complete the following sentences using the past perfect forms of the verbs in brackets. So in these you have to use past perfect forms. So I hope you understood this, children. Do your homework properly, study this again, and be safe and follow all the guidelines that are being given by the government, and do not follow any false news which are being spread by the social media and other channels. So stay safe, and we will meet again in the next class.